Binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Two-kingdom system of classification was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Okay. Systema Naturae was written by Carolus Linnaeus. Artificial system of classification was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Natural system of classification flowering. Natural system of classification for flowering plant was given by George Winetham and J.D. Hooker. Five kingdom classification. Five kingdom system of classification was given by R.H. Whittaker, 1969. Aristotle was the earliest to attempt a more scientific basis for classification. Biological classification of plant and animal. Plant and animal was proposed by Aristotle. Casual organism of the mosaic disease. Tobacco mosaic disease is recognized by D.J. Lewandowski, 1892. Contagium vivum fluidium is called by M. W. Bejernik, 1898. Virus crystallized by W. M. Stanley, 1935. Variants were discovered by T.O. Dinner, 1971. Anatomy of seed plant published by Catherine ESU, 1960. Curly top virus spread through a plant via phloem tissue is reported by Catherine ESU, founder of Madras School of Conformational Analysis of Biopolymer was G.N. Ramachandran. Triple helix mode of collagen was given by G.N. Ramachandran. Ramachandran was influenced by Linnaeus Pauling. Darwin was influenced by Malthus. P. Maheshwari was influenced by Dr. W. Devgan. A helix and sheet structure was published by Linnaeus Pauling. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a live cell. Living cell. Cell theory was given by Schleiden and Swan. Cell theory was modified by Rudolf Virchow in 1855. Fluid mosaic model was given by Singer and Nicholson, 1972. Golgi body was discovered by Camillo Golgi 1898. Ribosome was discovered by George Palade 1953. Nucleus was discovered and described by Robert Brown in 1831. Melvin Kelvin earned Nobel Prize in 1961 for mapping of the pathway of carbon assimilation of PHS. Kelvin worked with a J.A. Basam. Hydroponics techniques developed by Julius von Sachs 1860. O2 was discovered by Joseph Priestley 1774. Priestley revealed the essential role of air in growth of green plant. 1770. John Ingensus used a similar setup as the one used by Priestley. John Ingensus showed that sunlight is essential to the plant process. John Ingensus showed that it is the green part of plant that could release oxygen. Julius von Sachs provided evidence for production of glucose when plant grow. Sachs so that the green substance in plant, chlorophyll, is located in a special body later called chloroplast within plant cell. Sachs found that the green part of plant is where glucose is made and the glucose is usually stored as starch. First action spectrum of PHS described by T.W.E. Engelmann. One demonstrated that PHS is essential a light dependent reaction in which hydrogen form a suitable oxidable compound, reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. One need inferred that the O2 evolved by green plant come from H2O, not from CO2. O2 evolved by green plant come from H2O, not from CO2. Kelvin used radioactive C14 in algal photosynthesis study that led the discovery that the first CO2 fixation product was a 3-carbonic acid, carbon organic acid. Whole pathway of C cycle was worked by Kelvin and Benson. C4 pathway was discovered by Hatch and Slack. Law of limiting factor was given by Blackman 1905. SMAC and glycosis was given by Baden, Microsoft and Parnas EMP. Discovery of PGR is start with the observation of Charles Darwin and his son. Discovery of PGR and his son फ्रेंचिस डार्विन। चार्ल्स डार्विन के बेटे का नाम था फ्रेंचिस डार्विन। Charles Darwin and Francis Darwin observed that the coleoptiles of Canary grass respond to a unilateral ileum by growing towards the light source phototropism. Oxygen was isolated from the tips of coleoptiles of oat seedling by F.W. Wendt. E. Caruso reported the appearance of symptoms of backward falling seedling disease in unaffected rice seedling when they were treated when sterile form of the fungus Gibberella pleurophore.